Hello students, at the end of this video you will learn the hardware, firmware and software techniques to interface your sensors and experimental setups to a PC. There are several modules. The first module is on serial data communication. It deals with RS232 C protocol and hardware implementation of RS232, firmware implementation of RS232 and even software interfacing of RS232. And it will also deal with the design details using Linux and Windows operating systems. Module 2 has microprocessors and microcontrollers. It will teach about the hardware engineering from 8-bit microcontrollers to 32-bit microcontrollers like ARM MBED. Third module is on LabVIEW programming basics and control GUI design. Fourth module on RS485 serial bus for Modbus and CAN bus details. And module 5 is on object-oriented programming using a large number of C++ examples using Linux, and this will help you to design the firmware using C++ and the software using C++. Module 6 on firmware programming, especially using the cloud compiler, ARM MBED cloud compiler. Module 7 is a graphical user interface designs using Qt. It's a very versatile C++ toolkit which can run on Windows and Linux. Module 8 is on CAMAC, one of the oldest buses, and slight introduction about VME bus 2. Module 9 is on Field-Programmable gate arrays. This book introduces the FPGAs basics, and it will take you all the way to LabVIEW FPGAs, which is an advanced use of FPGAs in industrial applications. Module 10 is on GPIB, which is a parallel bus. Module 11 is on Ethernet networking basics. Nowadays, everything is going towards Ethernet. So, TCPIP programming, the client-server architecture, etc. will be explained in detail in Module 12. And Chapter 13 is more on microcontroller-based Ethernet server client building and interfacing. Module 14 on LabVIEW FPGA fast real-time and cRio interfacing. Module 15 is a unique topic. How do you design a digital filter or digital filter, different type of digital filters using simple low-cost ARM Cortex M3 microcontroller. Module 16 will deal about the Python programming, the basics of interfacing serial, USB and Ethernet devices. And at last, all the applications are merged into Internet of Things and interfacing. Thank you.